Hello. Julia.
Hi.
You came up so awkwardly. You want to say what we're doing?
We're making slime.
Yes, and
I think.
a variety of colors. As you can see, we have the
And
whole
we're going to
rainbow.
be doing a twist in it.
No. We're, yeah, but I think you have to put in, our challenge is that you have to put in 3 different colors. And they can't be in the same range, so you can't do purple, blue, and green. You have to do like all over. That's the twist we have. All right, you ready?
Uh-huh.
All right, so
What's that in the slime?
I'm gonna pour in my glue. We're just making bubbles, okay? I'm just gonna do.
We did a few chores before we came to making this video, but we still had fun. We still had fun. We still had fun. Because we... Uh-oh. Maddie, I got glue in my hair.
Julia, you did. Oh my gosh, you did. Go show it to the camera.
I actually got glue in my hair.
Can they see it?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, Julia.
it's bad.
Here, just wait until the video's over.
Just gonna... I know what to do. Okay.
Okay. So for our solution, we have 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. But
My hair's going good.
I'm gonna add some more water into it though.
That'll be good.
Yeah,
Hopefully
I
it doesn't happen again. Okay, can I start picking my color?
yeah,
I'm just gonna close my eye and choose a random color out.
Oh, you have a lot more glue than me.
Oh, that's. Oh.
Pick one more.
Okay.
Wait, you can do that if you want to.
Oh.
All right, show them your 3 colors.
I got blue, red, and green.
Want that tip of red.
I didn't care what colors I got.
Honestly, I don't think this is gonna look good.
Me either. There's 3 drops in every.
I'm doing it differently than you are. I'm gonna take a napkin.
That was 3.
Some dye on the table. Okay, there we go. Okay, Julia, you colored that I put here. Julia, I'm gonna mix mine so I can see what the green's gonna look like. And then I'm gonna be able to build off of that.
I can't wait until I see what this looks like. Might be rainbow, who knows? Oh, this might end out as green, yeah. My slime is gonna look so pretty.
I'm gonna put
Look at
one
this
of,
color.
I'm gonna put
It's my
one of
favorite
each.
color. Yay.
Okay, this red is not working. Legit, I'm trying to squeeze it.
Do you want to use this one?
No, I'm just gonna use that. That's yellow anyways.
Oh, that looks like when I dropped it in, it was orange.
Yeah, it's still not red, Julia. Oh wow, I put the purple in.
I think my slime is pretty.
I don't
Do you
know.
agree?
Yeah, I think yours is really pretty. I just don't know what mine's gonna come out of.
What if it ended up brown? You could make a YouTube video and it would be poop.
Oh my gosh, I can make it YouTube.
Like
ASMR.
literally, once I said that, like there was this heater going on and then it actually stopped once I said that.
Okay. I'm gonna add some more of this. Oh my gosh, I used all these colors and
They
don't
are
look
so
good.
loud up there.
Yeah, they are. They're actually very loud. This
But-
is mine. I'm in love.
Oh my gosh! I just added more blue, green, and
to make it here. Let me help you.
Yeah, I want it more blue. Alright. That was a lot, but
I know. That's why I was like, oh no.
I don't care because I can just.
Yeah, make it that color. That's so pretty.
What if it was like? What if it was just ended out like this? You know, it's like swirly like that. Once I made the slime, that would look so pretty.
Okay. So ready? Oh, dude, it's like. Alright, I'm mixing it in.
This is gonna be awesome. Just a little bit more. There we go. I'm gonna mix this.
Oh, gross.
What?
I have so much of it on me.
How is it gross? It's just glue and stuff.
It's just glue, food coloring, and our borax. So if you wanted to know how we make our borax solution, we use 1 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of borax. It is not ready, Julia. Why are you playing with your hands?
I know, I just touched it and I was like, it looks so wrinkly, and that's the part that I like about the beginning.
So we're gonna keep on going.
People. Hello.
That's Isabel.
There's a new guest. Is it okay if we show you a guest just for today?
Sure.
Okay, so
I can't even see you.
this is Senya. She's my bestie. Ow. She was my friend for almost 3 years now.
I've had a friend that's been my friend for 8 years.
I want slime. But you're not even 8 years old.
You gotta make it yourself if you want to.
10.
I'm gonna poke you. I'm poking you guys in the face.
Go away.
Isabel.
Accidents happen. Accidents happen. Sorry, guys.
What?
This happened.
Isabel.
My name is not Isabel.
I said Isabel.
Hey, Julia. Julia, look at me. Julia, look at me. Julia. Julia. Hey, Julia.
You're gonna get in the slime.
Julia.
I'm just glad that they didn't go in the slime. And also that they probably didn't hit you.
For right now, this is our mascot for Halloween because for the Halloween times. My house and do it.
Sure, that might, because this is a good setup. Your mom is very nice to help us with this up. Oh my gosh, so they're crazy. They did kind of, ruin the setup. Now it's like really bad, and like you can barely.
It took us like 20 minutes.
It
to
did
set that
just
up.
to like set it up, and then they come in and like ruin it
Yeah.
halfway through the video. So as you can see, I realized that we over boraxed it. So now I have an idea. So I'll be right back.
Yeah. I'll talk. Oh yeah.
We grab some lotion.
Face, but I don't think that really works.
Toothpaste does work out a lot.
My slime is doing better. And I made slime just like this, so I'm just going to add it in to my other slime. Because it's literally the same color, and it's like the same thing, basically. So, adding it. So, yeah. I found...
Isabel, can you just do what I told you to do already?
This is the one thing.
No, it's not.
Yes. Wait, did you twerk?
I just watched your official video.
That's not how they do it.
Isabel, can you please? Isabel, can you please just do what I told you?
Official videos.
Isabel, can you just do what I?
Oh
Okay.
my gosh,
I'll do it.
it's like not like it's so hard to stretch, like so.
Mine isn't that hard, it just has to go slow. Isabel, stop it. You guys are awesome. Just make sure you subscribe, otherwise I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, subscribe. Okay, that's violent. Subscribe, like, share, comment, do all that.
And press the bell.
Yeah, press the bell to get notified whenever we post. We're gonna start posting like a lot more than how we have,
Yeah.
and hopefully by that time my voice will.
Okay, just
the paper and pencil. Now write it down.
Gosh.
What?
Oh my god, she just said something inappropriate.
What? What'd you do?
She just said something.
I don't want to say it out loud.
Yeah.
If little kids
Yeah.
see it, so no. Tell me it.
Okay, so as you can see, mine's finally getting better.
It's not. Can you make mine like that?
Mine's still not as stretchy. And do you want to make another batch of slime? Same color?
No.
No? Okay. We can save
We can.
this. Do you want to save this at my house so whenever we make slime, we'll be together? Or, yeah, we should save it at your house. So we'll keep this Scotland glue for more slime videos in the future. This could I'll sit next to it and like, go like this. It looks like I have a double chin, but I really don't. And that's seriously. And thank you guys so much for watching.
Yep.
See you guys next time. Bye.